The GeoRoots Mapper tool helps you visualize and validate available geolocation data. It works with GeoJSON files. If you don't have one yet, you can use other GeoRoots tools to convert your data to GeoJSON or create new geolocation data. To use the mapper, simply drag and drop your GeoJSON file into the green frame. Your data will now be displayed on a map, together with optional overlays. Let's break it down. Your features are drawn over base maps. There are 4 of them to choose from. Street map, for confirming that the features are located in the correct region and country. Topography maps, which are often used for a quick confirmation of altitudes and terrain. Satellite imagery, which shows the latest available high-resolution snapshot. And archive satellite imagery, with the last available snapshot for the area before the end of 2020. The 2020 satellite imagery is used to check that the feature boundaries align with the agricultural boundaries, and to check if the land appears to be a forest at the end of 2020. You can also enable the JRC GFC 2020 overlay to identify forest cover as of the end of 2020, displayed in solid green. You can learn more about the data sources used by visiting the links in the attribution area. And finally, you can activate the overlay of satellite-identified tree cover loss. This will lead your attention to areas that might be problematic. Bear in mind that not all tree cover loss is necessarily deforestation. You'll have to apply your own assessment of the data. Based on your needs, you can also select individual years for the tree cover loss overlay. This has been a brief introduction to the GeoRoots Mapper tool. If you need to edit GeoJSON data or verify geometrical compliance with EUDR, check out GeoRoots Editor next.